Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are discussing one of the most powerful transformations in the modern economy, how sports became a billion-dollar intellectual property industry. From Virat Kohli to FIFA, sports today are no longer limited to stadiums and trophies. Sports have become media products, digital entertainment assets, branding empires, and intellectual property ecosystem. A single football match today generates revenue through broadcasting, sponsorship, streaming, gaming, social media, merchandising, fantasy sports, and licensing. But how did this transformation happen? And who, and more accurately, who actually owns sports content and athlete identities? This is exactly what we'll discuss today. Let's talk about the commercial evolution of sports. Now, traditionally, sports were viewed as a competition and entertainment. But globalization and television completely changed the economics of sports. Once broadcasting entered the industry, sports became commercially scalable. Leagues realized that sports content attracts massive audience attract advertisers, and advertisers generate enormous revenue. This led to the birth of modern sports commercialization. Today, leagues such as Indian Premier League, English Premier League, National Basketball Association operate as global entertainment business. Sports organizations today function almost like media companies. Let's talk about intellectual property in sports. Now, intellectual property is the foundation of modern sports industry. Sports IP includes trademarks, copyrights, broadcasting rights, athlete image rights, licensing rights, digital content, and merchandising. Let's talk about trademark protection. Now, sports team and leagues protect logos, slogans, mascots, jersey designs, and tournament names. For example, Indian Premier League, FIFA, Manchester United, all globally own valuable trademarks. Counterfeit merchandise has therefore become a major legal issue. Let's talk about broadcasting rights, which is the biggest revenue generator. Now, broadcasting rights transform sports economic forever. Today's sports leagues earn enormous revenue by licensing television rights, streaming rights, mobile rights, and digital highlights. In India, IPL media rights are worth billions of dollars. Companies compete aggressively because sports content guarantees live audiences, high engagement, and premium advertising revenue. Major broadcasters and streaming platforms include Jio Hotstar and Sony Sportstar. Sports broadcasting also raises copyright concerns like unauthorized streaming, piracy websites, and illegal clips on social media, causing huge financial losses. And this is why leagues aggressively enforce copyright protection. Let's talk about athlete image rights and celebrity branding. Modern athletes are personal brands. Players today monetize endorsements, advertisements, social media, digital appearance, gaming partnership, and merchandise. For example, Virat Kohli, Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, MS Dhoni, etc. They generate massive commercial value through image rights. Image rights include name, face, signature, voice, celebrations, and digital likeness. Athlete contracts today contain exclusive clauses, morality clauses, social media obligation, and licensing agreements. Sports celebrities are among the world's major powerful influencers. Let's proceed further and talk about FIFA, Olympics, and mega sports IP. Mega sporting events are global IP powerhouses. Events such as FIFA World Cup, Olympic Games, they generate billions through sponsorship, licensing, broadcasting, and merchandising. These organizations aggressively protect their intellectual property. For example, using official logos or event names commercially without authorization may lead to legal action. Ambush marketing is another concern. This happens when brands try to associate themselves with events without officially sponsoring them. Let's talk about fantasy sports, gaming, and digital sports economy. Sports IP now extends to fantasy gaming, esports, mobile gaming, NFTs, and metaverse experiences. Fantasy sports platforms like Dream 11 use player statistics, branding partnership, league integrations to build massive businesses. Now, sports video games such as EA Sports FC license athletes' likeliness and club trademarks. NFTs and blockchain based collectibles allow fans to own digital sport moments. This has created entirely new commercial market. Let's talk about AI, deepfake, and future challenges. Now, artificial intelligence is now changing the sports commercialization. AI can recreate athletes digitally, generate commentary, create virtual influencers, and stimulate sporting content. This creates serious legal questions. Who owns the AI generated sports content? Can athletes stop AI cloning? Who controls digital likeliness rights? Deepfake technology also creates risk of fake endorsements, misinformation, and reputational damage. Sports law will increasingly intersect with AI regulation, privacy law, and digital rights governance. Sports today are among the most powerful intellectual property industries in the world. The modern sports economy is built upon branding, media rights, technology, celebrity culture, and intellectual property protection. From Virat Kohli's endorsements to FIFA's global trademarks, sports are no longer just games. They are billion-dollar legal and commercial ecosystems. The future of sports business will belong to those who understand intellectual property, digital rights, AI regulation, and media commercialization. Thank you so much for watching this session. If you enjoyed this video, do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And do comment below. Do you think athletes today are more valuable as brands than players? See you in the next session.